Are you looking for a dream home tucked away from the hustle and bustle, yet within minutes to the amenities and city? Well, this is your best opportunity to own the finest home that can offer you the ultimate luxury living. It is the perfect haven for you and your family. It is easily accessible with a 5 minutes drive to Penn Island Expressway and 2 MRT stations, with one at King Albert's Park and another at Beauty World. Besides the transportation, there are also schools like Pei Hwa Presbyterian Primary and Methodist Girls' School. Welcome to the alluring home nestled within the quiet enclave, offering absolute privacy for the homeowners. This is situated here at Hua Guan Avenue, which is part of the Hong Kong Park. Landed Dynamic Alliance at Landed 7772 proudly presents this pair of 5-bedroom homes that unfolds into a reflection of semi-detached luxury. By a renowned developer whose collection of luxury homes are set in some of Singapore's most coveted addresses, reflects its focus on serving the most discerning families and elevating the way they live. Coupled with design by award-winning architect, it is no wonder these homes are a striking architectural presence in an exclusive neighborhood rich with history. The interiors are decked out with exquisite fittings and furnishings throughout the 2 lavishly appointed stories, including a basement and an attic. You will be surrounded by lush landscaping and well-clad boundary walls about 5 meters high, giving you the desired privacy and the feel of a bungalow. And adding to the charm is this 11 by 3 meter overflow edge pool. Built with the Sukabumi stone, one of the world's premium classes of natural stone with a unique green shade. Ideal for Singapore's humidity, don't you think? Now, are you ready to head inside? Today, we are stepping in Hua Guan Avenue. You will be greeted by a large living room that opens up to reveal several shared spaces. First is this living space that has beautiful natural light filtering in through the full-height glass door. Positioned just steps away is a spacious dining area with a double volume ceiling. The dry kitchen here has a good sized island and could serve well as a breakfast or buffet table. And that's not the end for this level. Through here is a wet kitchen with ample space for any 1 or 2 to cook up a storm. Plus, for those who love hosting, here is a guest room with an amazing view of the greenery. You also have the option of turning it into an ensuite if you prefer. Now, if you're not into climbing, be pampered by this bespoke Schindler home lift that's big enough to fit 8 and stops on every floor, starting from the basement all the way up to the 3rd floor. The top floor, a cozy cove for you, perfect for snoozing in or chilling out after work. It's a peaceful private sanctuary with an inviting balcony that faces the serene view of the Bukit Timah Nature Reserve. Now we are at the 2nd level, where we have 3 ensuite bedrooms, 2 of the same good size, and 1 junior master with a configurable study or family area as you wish. And all these are packed within a built-out space of 6,400 square feet, sitting on a land space of 3,998 square feet. Do you like what you see? Thanks for watching, and if you like what you see, end that long enduring search of yours by calling me today at 8100 772. I am Jazrin Lee from Orange Tea and Thai AAG Division. We are your compass for landed properties. Let our teamwork make your dream works.
AAG, the #1 top division in Orange Tea and Thai.